Little vlog.
Okay, y'all, just got a new camera. This is the old one right here. Just got a new one.
Hey.
It would be no love with you.
3, 2, 1.
Let me know what y'all think about that quality.
I'm liking it.
I love it. I love it.
I love it.
Okay. So we're running errands today, and we're about to go get something to eat first, and then I think that's it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And I'll take y'all along with me. Y'all, we made it to Target, and we're just returning some stuff, right? And then
It didn't work.
And then we're gonna get some food. Where do y'all want to eat?
I don't know. I was thinking McAllister's.
I haven't been there in a long time. That sounds good. Yes. Okay, y'all, it's bad lighting in here, but I am about to try on these two pieces, and basically, like, it's like a top. You can wear it with multiple stuff. Real cute. Okay, y'all, so I ended up getting the pink, white, and black Target. Okay, Jai, tell the vlog what you found in Target.
Oh my god.
We're literally walking, and like this guy had it in his hand, and then we were like, what is that? Is that a Stanley? Look,
Stanley?
and it's pink. It's so cute.
Like,
And wait, it retail for
$90.
$90, but
Yeah, for
$40. It's a steal, and it was the last one.
Last one.
So-
These are literally all sold out online. Like, you will not find these at anybody's Target.
That's so cute.
You can only order these on Amazon, and this color is sold out on the Stanley website.
It's the handle for me.
It is. It's
So-
even expensive.
It is. I love it. Okay, y'all, we just got to, what is this place? McAllister's. So we're about to go in and eat there. Well, we're about to grab to go, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And we'll come back when we get inside. Like, look at that light. Well, let's go back to the light. Look.
Uh-oh. I'm not showing up.
Oh. Immaculate. It's that poster blocking us.
It is.
The back.
The poster didn't want us to be great.
This is gonna be
I just know I
our,
love
what you call? Okay, y'all, so I got sweet tea with lemonade, and then I got the ham and cheese melt, and it looked like this. Look good. And it's a chicken salad. And then we got these for dessert, the Cinnabon mini cookie sandwiches. I think it's like snickerdoodle and then some in the middle. And then what was the other two? Let me see them. And then we got s'mores cookie. You can see the chunks in there. And then a chocolate chip cookie. And yeah, we finna eat. I would let y'all see me eat, but I might. We'll see. Got the cheese game in a bag. You know you gotta shake the salad, so let me see how it's tasting. Gotta get some chicken in there. This could be better, like the dressing, but I give it like a 5 because this is one place, I can't remember the name, but my little boo put me on, and I cannot stop eating salads from there because it's so good. And it's a Caesar salad. It's a chicken salad. Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna try this sandwich. I have to warm it up a little bit because it got a little cold. I just have Okay. I give it like a 7, solid 7. So this is cinnamon cookie, whatever. So, it's soft too. I'm a cinnamon lover, so I rate this a 10 out of 10. Y'all, now I'm about to try this. What was this? S'mores cookie. Let's see. I'm gonna break it because I'm not a big chocolate lover, and it's giving a lot of chocolate, but it got cookie chunks, and then it got like the s'more like marshmallow, and then actual like chunks of chocolate. So I see where they were going with it, but I'm not a chocolate lover, so therefore I have to leave that word right there. I rate this one, I get rated a 7. Good 7. Alright, and I'm with my aunt and my cousin, but I'm about to get ready to leave because a girl gotta go to work and make some money. But y'all, before y'all end this video, before I end this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do what, y'all? Okay, and share this video, and don't forget to turn them notifications on. Thank you. Oh, and then I'm about to go, so say bye, y'all. Bye. And then my aunt's getting ready, so she can say bye, but just know she mean bye. Look, y'all, I'm showing my dad my new camera. Say what's up.
What up?
Y'all, that's my twin. Twin and them. Look like my daddy. Y'all, he literally made a hole in this. Cash, come here. Cash, come here. That's my mama. Say hi, Mom.
Oh.
Mom, come here and say hi.
Oh, really? Oh. Might have to go on Amazon or something to order it. So I don't see it.